So now let's see how we can work around with block displacement and bulge effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, over here under effects, you need to go around under the distort section right here. So let me just go around under distort section, and over here you can see that block displacement is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here, then what happens is that I can go around and change around the size of the block, as you can see, and change around the displacement as well. And this is the type of effect that you get. As you can see, you get a bit of a displacement. You can go around onto settings right here and change around the seed right here and change around the coverage over here just like this as well. And apart from that, you can go around and display it out, and then change around the aspect ratio of the blocks as well, and also go around and change around the position of the blocks by clicking around this little dot right here, as you can see. So once you do that, you can see that this is the type of effect that you get. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you get the bulge effect as well. So I can go around and add that in, and you can see that there's a bulge effect that you can add as well. So you can go around over here. Let me just go around over here. So you can click and drag this around and change around the size of the bulge and move this bulge center around wherever you want. You can go around and decrease and increase the size of the bulge right here just like this, and you can go around and change around the radius of the bulge over here from the effect as well, and change around the plateau over here just like this as well. So once I go around over here and then go around onto wrap just like this, then you can see that I can go around, change around the tile as well, and then change around the hexagon just like this as well, and click and drag this around over here. So that is how you can work around with block displacement and bulge effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.